In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to see your recently watched videos on Facebook. This allows users to quickly revisit content they found engaging, informative, or entertaining without searching again. This feature is particularly useful for continuing videos or rewatching tutorials. To see your watch history, simply head to Facebook. Now onto your menus page, tap onto your name. You will want to tap onto these three dots. Onto your profile settings page, select Activity Log. Now slide rightwards onto the option of Videos Watched. You will see a bunch of videos you have been watching ever since you joined Facebook. The recently will be on top. You can also decide to clear them all. Just tap right here on Clear Video Watch History. And by the way, this ensures Facebook's algorithm doesn't use your watch history to influence the content you see on Facebook. Well, that's how easy it is to see your recently watched videos on Facebook. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.